TikTok photo swipe not work in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the photo swipe not working on TikTok on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix if your photo swipe is not working on the TikTok app on Android, all you have to do is first of all long press the TikTok app icon over here, then tap the I button to come to the app information page. From here you can simply go to the storage tab, clear the cache, and you can also possibly clear the data. Remember that clearing the data will log you out, so that thing you have to remember. Then come to your Play Store, check if the TikTok app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Now once you've updated TikTok, and then if you want to use a photo swipe, you can go ahead and upload it, and you can also browse to other people's photo swipe if they happen to have such kind of photos. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically solve if the TikTok photo swipe is not working. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.